Alright, here we go. Gonna do a quick video for y'all. This is the cantaloupe pop test with 7mm rod 8 in American whitetail by Hornady. What we're doing is doing a 2D print of the bullet and shooting through a board, cantaloupe, then another board, and catching the bullet, and then we're gonna compare, see what the bullet looks like and the holes it printed in the boards. So stay tuned. Here. You can feel the warmth. There we go. There we go. We'll look at the bullet real quick. Whoops. There you are. Let's see if we can piece this together and get it back to the table. Alright, here we go. This is the cantaloupe pop test. Yes, pop test. Cantaloupe pop test. And here's the results. We got going in this board. I know it's 2-1. I had them backwards. But we got coming in. And there's the exit coming out. Right here. As we're going in, then we got a nice little hole going, boom, right there. We're going to get the seismic anomaly of it. Is roughly .88 wide and roughly .42. Now we got the bullet. Taking a look at it for y'all. Doesn't look too bad. Nice little gnarly bullet. Can definitely do some damage. Let's try to get the widest. At the widest, we are .62. That is nice, considering. .28. Well over double. .28. Well over double in size. And these are 139 grain. They better be. Yes, they are. 139 grain. Let's get some weight going on here. And out of 139 grain, we have 102. Yeah, it's kind of bouncing around a little bit. 102 grains left out of that bullet. So that is definitely nice. Power hitter. There you go. And that is the cantaloupe pop test. That is our 2D print of what it looks like coming out. That is a nice big hole. From that to that. Definitely, I have no change in my pocket because I am broke. To give y'all a comparison. But I did give y'all the measurements. Look, there we go. Our expertise measuring device. Right there. Ta-da! Just turn your camera your screen upside down if you want to read the metric system. And there you go. Thanks for watching.